Okay. Deep breath right here. Out. There you go.
I don't know if I like want to laugh or cry. I'm not even kidding.
Slow motions.
Oh my god. I feel like I can hear better.
Well, you sir. Get out. Wow. Holy smokes.
Oh my god.
Go. Okay. So close your teeth together. This feels okay?
I don't know what it's supposed to feel like.
It's supposed to just feel kind of
Okay.
like a stretch.
Okay.
Okay. So take a deep breath. Out. There you go. How'd that feel?
No words. Oh my god. I am feeling parts of my back I don't think I've ever felt.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not kidding. That sounds dramatic, but I'm so serious.
He's like, you can feel your back? I didn't know that's a thing.
Yeah, that's a thing.
Where'd you feel it on your back?
Right along the bra line that I was telling you about. Like,
That's exactly what I was
yeah.
trying to get.
Holy crap. I can actually, like, feel the table underneath me.
You felt like you're floating this whole
Yeah.
time.
No, it felt like I was just a log.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord Almighty. Oh, shoot. Oh.
This way. There
Oh,
you
wow.
go. Holy macaroni. How did that feel?
That felt great. That feels better.
Oh my god. Wow.
What?
Oh my god. That was amazing.
There you go.
Nice. That was great.
Okay. There you go.
Wow.
Okay.
Do it again.
Get ready to learn. There you go.
Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that feels great.
I know, you can move better.
Yeah.
Start popping.
I'm alive again. Oh my god. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay.
Those are pretty deep.
That feels great.
Wow. There you go. Oh my gosh, how are you breathing this whole time?
Oh my.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh jeez.
Don't. There you go.
Wow.
Relax. Oh, there you go. Yo! What just cracked? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I should. Holy smoke.
Which is great. My whole body needed that. Like literally. I just feel completely relaxed now.
Oh.
What
Your eyes just like went
the fuck was that, bro? Oh my god.
Take a deep breath.
The best thing we can do is if you're just like,
Oh my goodness.
That felt good.
Oh my god.
This way. There you go.
Okay, that was pretty intense.
That felt okay?
No, it felt amazing.
I'm just kidding, I'm not. So face right here. There you go.
Ooh, that was bussin'.
Oh, this is scary. Hold on. Hold on. That's scary. Okay, hold on. All right. Oh, what the hell?
Damn!
What the hell, bro?
lot of tension in there.
Oh my God. Okay. All right.
Okay. Whoa.
What the hell, my boy?